healthy bone.
Go on then, Graham.
Be very afraid. There's a free horror DVD every day with this week's on. 7 terrifying films featuring haunting Halloween. The spine
And again, please, for the cameras. Please.
I only do one.
Everything they could offer. Grab yours starting in Monday's Sun.
Is that all for now then, Graham?
It's the woody woodpeckers.
When it comes to food, there's a bit of a...
Can you provide something else for the audience at home?
Do this, don't do that.
Go on.
This is very bad for you. This is for your own good. We're old enough
Go on, you're famous.
just to be given the facts. So, this is a new cereal called Optivita. It contains oat bran, which can help actively reduce cholesterol. Now, it's up to you to choose to reduce cholesterol or not. Well, don't look at me. I'm not going to tell you what to do. You can say on the ship by yourself.
I was enjoying it, Lil.
By yourself. You can get into that on your own.
Tell you what will be funny on one of them things.
Things that you can do.
Lighting a fire.